Today here at the Mighty Sorensen Elementary campus, we have both of our amazing electrical team and our HVAC, our air conditioning team, working hand in hand to install our new iWave purification system. This is a unique system that combats COVID at a touch. Kills it within 90 seconds. So our team here is working together, that joint collaboration and joint empowerment, and they've done an amazing job of installing almost over 600 units across the landscape of the PSJA to keep our families, our students, our community, our staff all safe. The main purpose was we have some marching orders from our superintendent, Dr. Arredondo, to go above and beyond the standard of keeping every individual that walks through our campuses safe.
Well, we're installing the iWave Cs. They're commercial iWaves. They're up to 12 tons per unit. So like this individual unit is a 24 ton. So we're actually installing 2 of them. It creates ions, which cleans allergens, mold, and COVID.
We strategically, during phase 1 and phase 2, outlined the campus maps, collaborated with the principals to ensure that we were handling the placement of each of these units in a strategic area. The PSJA family can really have peace of mind knowing that from our buses to the way we deliver our food, even the type of air that we're breathing, that we're doing our best to ensure the safety and the security and the health and wellness of all our employees, staff, and students.